Hello friends! Today we'll be making slime. Our lesson is about following directions. What will happen if we don't follow the directions to make slime? It won't turn out right. So we have to really focus on following the directions so that we can make our slime the right way. Okay, let's get out our box and see what we'll need inside. For slime, we're going to need the glue. And you can see that I added something to your glue. What did I add to it? My favorite color. I added green food coloring. So you have food coloring and glue all here. Find your popsicle stick. You'll need your cup. Your cup has some plastic cellophane on the top with a rubber band, and inside you'll see a white powder on the bottom. It's called borax. Let me see how many things I have so far. 1, 2, 3. I need something else. I need my directions. This is very important. And I'll need something to write with. I'm going to get out my box of crayons. Here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Okay, I'm going to get the box out of my workspace. Crayons, my directions, popsicle stick, my glue and food coloring, and my cup with borax. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is to take my rubber band and cellophane off. Be very careful not to spill your borax. Okay. I don't need this plastic cellophane wrap anymore. I'm going to throw it away. But I'm going to do two things. I'm going to throw this in the garbage, and I'm going to fill up my cup with water to the top line. Listen carefully again so you're following directions. I'm going to throw away my plastic wrap, and I'm going to fill my cup up with water to the top line. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now my borax is mixed in with my water. Okay, let's get out our black crayon. Let me find my black crayon. Here it is, black. I'm going to check off to make sure I have all of my materials. Let's make sure we have our glue. I'm going to make an X this time by my box, on my box. X. I have my glue. Okay, now it's asking if I have my water. I just went and got it. X, my water. The next line is asking if I have my borax. I put my water in my cup with borax. X. Next, it's asking if I have my food coloring. Where is my food coloring? It's in my glue already. I can see the green. So yes, I do. X. The next word is up. Cup. I do have my cup. And my cup has my water and borax. So I'm going to give my cup an X. This is something that wasn't in my box. It's asking if I have a mixing bowl. I'm going to have to go to my kitchen and get a bowl that I can mix in. Ask someone in your family for a mixing bowl. I'll be right back. I need to get mine. That's something I don't have. Okay, I'm back. I have a mixing bowl. I'm going to put that in my workspace so I can X off mixing bowl. The last thing I need to make my slime is a popsicle stick. I have my popsicle stick. Check to make sure you have yours. Okay, let's X it off. X. It looks like we have all the materials we need. Now, this box is asking me, what did the borax and water look like when I mixed them together? Do you notice that when I hold my cup, I'm using 2 hands? I don't want to spill it. I'm going to put it close to the camera so you can see what mine looks like. Kind of looks gray to me. I'm going to make mine gray. So I need to look in my crayon box for the color gray. Gray. I'm going to draw my borax and water. It looks gray to me. Okay. Now, I'm going to open up my glue. I'm going to take the whole cap off. Turn, turn, turn. Be careful not to get this on your table. It's very green. And I'm going to dump the whole bottle into my mixing bowl. You should leave your bowl on the table. Okay, I'm going to change my camera so you can see my hands better. I'm squeezing my glue bottle so that I get all the glue out of the bottle. Still coming. Tap, 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 squeeze. Okay. Let me make sure. Yep, I got it all out. I'm going to put the lid back on my glue. Twist, twist, twist. Oh, very tight. Now all of my glue and green food coloring is in my mixing bowl. This is very important. Remember, we're practicing following directions. I'm going to slowly pour my water and borax into my glue, and I'm going to mix with my popsicle stick. I am not going to dump all the water in my glue. It will ruin my slime. I'm going to slowly pour and stop and mix. Watch me. I'm going to move my camera so you can see my hands very clearly. Remember, if you don't follow the directions, the slime won't come out correctly. It won't work. Slow pour, mix, mix. Oh my goodness. It's starting to stick together. Do you see that? I must be following directions. It's working. Okay, I'm going to show you close up again. Okay, now it's time to pour a little bit more in slowly. Oh, just a little bit. Mix, mix. It's sticking even more. I must be following directions because it's working. It's still not sticky enough, so I need more borax. Just a little. Whoop, my popsicle stick fell. That's okay. Just a little. Mix, mix, mix. Look, friends, it's sticking even more. I think I still need just a little bit. It's too sticky still. Ooh, just a little. Mix, mix. Oh my goodness, it's really sticking together like slime. Oh my goodness, this is too goopy for me. I'm going to keep adding more borax and water because I don't want it to be so sticky that I can't play with it. Just a little. Mix. Oh goodness, I think it's almost just right. I think I might need just a pinch more. Mix, mix. I think that might be it, friends. See how it's all sticking to each other? I think I'm going to try to touch it and see if it's ready. Oh my goodness. It is so goopy. So if I want my slime to be a little bit firmer, what do you think I should add? Borax and water, just a little bit more, because it's almost perfect now. Okay, friends, there is my slime, and I'm going to pick it all the way up. Green, goopy slime. Now remember, if you want it firmer, you can always add more borax. But remember to add just a little bit at a time. Okay, when I'm finished making my slime, I am going to put my slime in the plastic bag that I left in my box from yesterday's lesson. Remember I told you to put your Ziploc back in your box? So I'm going to pull that out right now because this empty Ziploc is a perfect place to store your slime. Okay, and you can leave it in your box or you can keep it in your play space or workspace. Okay, the last part on my directions says, what did it look like when I mixed the glue, food coloring, water, and borax? Let's look at it. Okay, what color do I need? My favorite color, green. Mm, that's kind of a yellow green. Let's see if there's a darker green. Yeah, I think this matches more. So I am going to draw a big, goopy green slime blob. Okay, there's my work is now complete. I X'd off all the materials. I drew my picture of borax and water and of all the ingredients mixed together. Did I follow directions? I did because my slime worked. Okay, make sure you pay close attention and follow directions. And where can you store your slime? In your Ziploc bag. Thanks for joining me today, friends, to make slime. I'll see you again soon. Bye.